Hey guys, Becky here with Design Bundles, and I'm super excited to have you join me today because we have an awesome Glowforge tutorial that is perfect for beginners and more advanced alike. I'm not forgetting you guys. What are we talking about today? Cork Trivets. Okay guys, so this project is ridiculously easy. Like, I just can't tell you how easy this is. Like, these are probably some of the easiest and very inexpensive ways to test and get started with your Glowforge. They are great beginner projects. This is a Cork Trivet. I believe it is about 7 inches, so it's not too small, but not too large either. And they're really cute and they're really awesome to give as gifts. So I just really love them a lot. What I'm going to do is go ahead. Now I've already put the trivet inside the Glowforge. Obviously that's why you can see the preview here. And then I'm going to bring up my File Explorer and drag and drop my SVG file into the workspace. Now this is a really cute SVG file that I got as part of a bundle. I actually scored the entire bundle on the dollar deals, dollar days. And it's just a whole little bundle of kitchen sayings, and they're really, really super cute. So I'm going to zoom out and size this down so that it's more manageable. Get rid of my ruler. I don't need that. And I just need to decide how large or how close to the edge I want to go. I live by the go big or go home motto. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. And then I want to engrave this. Actually, I'm fibbing to you guys. I want to move it up a little bit. Don't forget you can use your hand, the little hand icon up here, to move your screen around, and then you have your cursor for actually moving the design. Okay, last time, there we go. Now what I want to do is I'm going to set my focus right here in the middle of this trivet, and what that means is that the machine is going to hover right where I've clicked, and it will automatically measure the depth of the material, the depth of the trivet. And then we will be able to go in and select the settings that we want for engraving. All right, so once the focus is set, I am going to come over here to Engrave, and I am going to set some manual settings. We are going to do full speed, but we are only going to do a power of 15. Okay, that's because the Cork Trivet just does not need a lot of power, and is also not masked. So you don't want to get any excess, I don't want to say charring, but you know, with the smoke and the burn off will leave markings on your trivet. So let's go ahead and hit the print button. All right, so 25 minutes and 8 seconds. Let's go ahead and go hit the magic button. Alright guys, so wasn't that cute and easy? Dun 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 dun! Love it! So guys, how did you feel about our Cork Trivet project? Obviously, I'm a big fan. I love trivets. I think they're a fabulous beginner's project, not because they're so easy, but because they're so inexpensive. So it takes a lot of the pressure off. That, you know, guys, if you mess up, first of all, nobody has to know because they're really small to dispose of, but you know, it's not a big hit to your pocketbook. So I just really am a big fan of them for that reason, but they make really cute gifts and home decor too. So, you know, just, I could go on and on for days about how much I love these Cork Trivets. Now guys, if you have any questions or comments about what we've done today, make sure you leave that in the comments below. Your questions, if you have any video requests, anything like that, I love to hear from you guys. I do come back in and check in with you. All right, now, on the other hand, make sure you do that quick subscribe, turn on notifications. That's what keeps our little channel here going, and we absolutely want to keep bringing you these awesome tutorials in the future. So thanks guys. I know I say it all the time, but I do really appreciate every time you stop by. I love it when you pay me a visit, and hey, I'll see you again next time.